So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to change Hz on Sceptre monitor for PS5, enable 120Hz and best display setting. So force enable 120Hz output on PS5. Before touching your monitor setting, you must configure the PS5 system software to prioritize speed over resolution. Enable system 120Hz. Go to PS5 setting, then screen and video, then video output. Scroll down to enable 120Hz output and set it to automatic. Set automatic performance mode. Go back to setting, then save data and game app setting. Game persist. Change performance mode or resolution mode straightly to performance mode. Go back to screen and video output information and verify that your TV or monitor support 120Hz. Match resolution. Go back to video output then resolution. Set this to automatic. If your Sceptre monitor is 1080p or 144p, the PS5 will automatically adjust to match it. Phase 2 is optimize hardware connection. Many Sceptre monitor limit high refresh rate to specific video port. If your connection is wrong, the 120Hz option will remain logged or grayed out. Use the right port. Look at the label on the back of your Sceptre monitor. Connect your HDMI cable to the port labeled HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 2.1. Older HDMI 1.4 port on Sceptre monitor often cap out at 60Hz for consoles. Inspect the cable. Use the original ultra high speed HDMI cable that's shipped inside the PS5 box. Third party, older or damaged cables cannot carry the bandwidth required for high frame rates. Bypass accessories. Connect the PS5 directly to the monitor. Do not route the cable through HDMI switches, capture card or audio receivers, as they frequently blocked 120Hz pass-through signals. Phase 3 is calibrate Sceptre monitor menu. Once your PS5 is successfully outputting a high refresh rate, use the physical button on your Sceptre monitor to optimize the display setting for gaming. Turn on overdrive. Press the joystick button on the back or bottom of the monitor to open the OSD menu. Navigate to gaming or picture setting. Look for one of these options: overdrive, response time, OD and trace free. Change the setting from off to normal, fast or medium. Save the setting and exit the menu. If the overdrive option is grayed out, disable FreeSync mode. Some monitor lock the overdrive setting when FreeSync, G-Sync or VRR is enabled. Try turning off FreeSync, G-Sync in the monitor menu, reopening the overdrive setting, adjusting it and then re-enabling FreeSync is desired. Picture mode. Send your monitor preset profile to user or FPS RTS. Avoid eco mode, which aggressively dims the backlight and reduces response time. Press menu button in monitor. Navigate to picture or picture mode. Select picture mode. Choose one of the following: FPS optimized for first person shooter game or RTS optimized for strategy game. Avoid eco mode as it can reduce brightness and gaming performance. Press enter select to save your selection. Second one is color temperature. Set this to normal or user. If the screen looks too blue or washed out, change it to warm to make color pop naturally. Press the menu button. Go to color or color setting. Select color temperature. Choose normal. Recommended for most gamers. Press enter or select the save setting. Third one is configure brightness and contrast. These values provide a strong starting point for gaming in a normally lit room and align with setting commonly recommended by monitor users and manufacturer OSD default. Press the menu button on your Sceptre monitor. Use the navigation button to select picture. Highlight brightness and press enter or select. Increase or decrease the value using the arrow key and recommended for gaming 80-90. Press enter or select to save the brightness setting. In the same picture menu, select contrast. Adjust the contrast using arrow button, recommended for gaming 50-60. Press enter or select to save the contrast setting. Exit the menu and test the image in a game. Fine tune the setting if the image appears too dark, too bright or lack details. Phase 4 is test in a game environment. The PS5 home dashboard will always display at 60Hz to confirm everything is working flawlessly. Launch a game that explicitly support high frame rates. Enter the specific game's internal graphic video setting. Locate the 120 FPS mode toggle and turn it on. Press the physical menu button on the Sceptre monitor. Most Sceptre models display the active output resolution and refresh rate at the top or bottom corner of their menu screen. It should now read 1920 into 1080p or 120Hz or 2560 into 1440 at 120Hz. Thank you.